my Easter Bunny chocolate lint from Kuya June. Ay, no, Kuya Nito and Ate Edna pala. And Ems from Australia. Thank you. Let's open it. Kailangan yata i-break pero ayan, sayang. There's the whole chocolate. Ay! Ka-color mo, copper. Bawal sa'yo to. Let's break it. Ayun. Sa loob. Meron yata sa loob. Hindi, hollow lang talaga. This is yummy. Oh. Thank you. Ciao. I'm back. It's been a while after Holy Week activities natin, and I'm going back to the farm. Solo lang ako kasi quick lang to. Tomorrow I'm going back. Actually, impromptu. Sobrang naisipan ko lang kasi more than a month na rin tayo hindi nakaka-uwi doon. And we might have visitors next week after election. Pamangkin ko sila, Gerald and his friends. And then my family, ang mga mat nanay, dadaling ko. Sana nga dadaling ko na sila today, pero baka mapagod. Tsaka check ko muna yung init. Ayun, kung matatagalan nila. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung ano doon. Kung mainit ba, malamig na or what. So I left Bulacan ng 5 AM, 5:10. And it's 7:40. I had a stopover sa SLEX Shell. And now, guess where I'm right now? I'm here at the shrine of Our Lady of La Salette. I think this is my first time to visit the shrine. Nadadanan ko lang siya most of the time. And I think it's a good time to come here kasi wala masyadong tao. And ang aga ko pa. So kaya nang hinayang din ako di kinasama ang mata ka na. But then hopefully next time. Kung weekday naman kami din pupunta, I'll see to it to bring them here. Kasi most of the time we visit yung Our Lady of Lourdes sa Tagaytay. So might as well visit the Our Lady of La Salette Shrine. Let's go. So, nakikita ko lang siya lagi kasi siya yung the most beautiful faces of representation ng Mama Mary. Yan. Siya may ganung crown. Yung kakaiba. So yan. Not pretty. Nga lang, she's crying. Let's go inside. Side pala to. Ito yung front. Ganda side. Morning po. Merong isang ano doon. Let's check. Merong ano. Relic. So, siya na may veil. I think this is a Lady of Antipolo. Na Manawag. Lady of Manawag. Santa Maria Faustina. Ito yung relic na. Lasalet. Dito na. Let's go around. So it's like a cross. Full churches right there. Other side. Ito yung entrance, main entrance. So parang the Lady of Lasalet is like the Our Lady of Lourdes. No, the apparition. No. So this might probably be in France also, kasi Lourdes nga pala sa France din, no? Natin sa very front. So search and out Lasalet. This is the main place. Pagka Sunday, puno din pa eh. It's a Jubilee Cross. Medyo parang saan pa. There's a Lasalet exhibit. Let's check it. Sana open siya for sure. No, they have to showroom. And they have a huge garden. This is the other side. Look at there. With lotus trees and plants. Ganda. Mga trees. Green na green. Lotus. Sigurado yun. Just wait for the rest. Ito yung other wing. Tayo galing sa other side na. Let's try to check yung exhibit. Laki mo naman na compound. And the trees ang mga lotus plants din. Tapos I think they have a cemetery also for Stations of the Cross. Stations of the Cross. Yun. Tapos may Our Lady of Lasalet doon sa dulo. Isang mabilisan siguro. Well, let's check muna yung ano. I think in the museum. I think it's closed pa. Yes, but it is the exhibit. They have a huge Last Supper here, huh? Image. 246 10 to 13. Kompleto sila 13. Ano 13? Diba 12 lang? 2, 4, 6 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Oo nga. Pwede po ba? Sarado pa. Hi. Good morning po. Different images of Lasalet. Lady of Lasalet. So pretty, no? May mga ganyan palang image, no? Nakaupo. Interesting. I really want to know more about her. This one, oh, this is so pretty. Beautiful eyes. Ah, but my chain. This one is crying. Certificate of authenticity. Nasa shrine niya siguro sila. in France. Sanctuary. So it's in from France. Saint-Louis de Flazelet. Meron naman nakasmile din kahit paano. Pakita siya sa mga kids dun. Just crying also. And small images. Sa mountain din. Kids. Si Miss Marian. They normally visit here with her family. Thank you. Saan pa yung exit? Thank you. Thank you. Maybe that's a school or convent. May Dr. Rizal. Let's try to walk there. Sila today na share ako sa kuya. Di ba lang sila kasama kasi busy pa sila. Si ate busy pa sa election. Si kuya may work. So hopefully hanggang kasama ko sila.
155 na, isang nga yung sigarin nyo, 155 na. 155? Oo, sama. 130. Oo, 155 na.
I'm just a Mama Mary. Assumption. Really po Mama Mary. Lady of Lourdes. Laki ng compound nila. Parang may pond pa dun. Tapos different flags. At dito tayo lumusot sa may Stations of the Cross. Bakit natin silipin saglit yung pond to? Tapos tayo tayo sa Stations of the Cross ng Budas. Bullet. That's a pond. There are images here also. Cute. There's a horse. There's a foreigner. He greeted me. I greeted him and then he greeted me back. It's a nice day. He wishes me a good day. And of course, likewise. Thank you for that. Beautiful images. Beautiful pond. And I think it's part of the convent. Salamat po. Kaibigan natin sila before sila pumunta dito. Ang lang medyo mahihirapan dito kasi Lexo sa sasakyan dapat siya. Si nanay ang pwede umikot. Sa station sa Lacrosse or that is a station sa Lacrosse. Silipin nga natin yung lotus plants. Could be yung images ng different images ng ano, siya nagpakita siya sa mga kids. I'm sure hindi lang siya once nagpakita, several times, so that would be the images. Let's see. So, parang ano siya, parang glimpse of different shots. Here, bubulong na naman ako. Pero Indian, ano, crying, talking to the kids. The stations with the cross the pa. Let's try to visit the pond, yung may lotus, yung chapel sa taas. So we were there earlier. Parang naikot na rin natin. Hindi ko Robert TV. Ano po? Robert. So magka-canvas din tayo ng solar lights para sa FB. Kasi nga gusto ko maayos muna before I bring them. Para mas maliwanag ka. Ng rubber trees. Different images ulit. Ito na tayo sa may lotus. Lalaki ng lotus, oh. Beautiful flowers. The image of the Our Lady. Dito sa may bridge or here, hindi, baka yun tayo sa path dito. Ayun, ganda. Those are lotus plants. Nice, huh? Yung rubber trees, oh, dami. Yung mango tree. Yung naka-form na plants. Yan. Coconut plant. Yan. Oh. There's a bridge. Tapos yung stations of the cross. Yan. Yung Verina. Solar din siya, oh. Oh, nice. Excuse me po. Beautiful. Thank you po. I'm going. kasi Lady Resident. Ayun na po. Salamat.